Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You want to begin now? First, confirm your monitor's native inputs and supported resolutions so you avoid guessing. Next, choose a compatible cable, HDMI 2, 1 for 4K at 120 or HDMI 2, 0 for 4K at 60, because bandwidth matters. Then power off both devices, position the console near the monitor, and route the cable to avoid strain. Once done, plug the HDMI into the Xbox's HDMI OUT and the monitor's HDMI in, and leave both powered off while you verify connections. Power sequence matters. Turn the monitor on first and select the HDMI port, then boot the Xbox so signal negotiation succeeds. On your Xbox, go to Settings, General, TV, and Display options. Pick the exact resolution and refresh rate supported by your monitor. This prevents flicker or blank screens. If HDR or variable refresh is available, enable it to improve image quality, but make sure the monitor supports those features. Finally, select audio output, monitor speakers, HDMI pass-through. Now confirm everything. Launch a game or dashboard to test resolution, frame pacing, and HDR behavior. Use scaling and overscan settings if the image is too big or cropped. If you see no signal, reseat the HDMI cable, try a different port or a known good cable, and power cycle both devices. Make sure the monitor isn't in a special PC mode blocking console signals. If problems persist, update Xbox and monitor firmware, and only then reset display settings to defaults as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.